question that I often get asked is about timelines when selling. What should you expect? Well, we need to get the home ready for sale. You want to be really careful not to just slap it on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. See the video below on what you should fix prior to going on the market. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to letting buyers into the home. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I will give you a contract to sign. Once I have an executed contract, I will then schedule an appointment with my stager to come over to give you recommendations on what you can do to enhance the appearance of your home to maximize the return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but this is essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money you will get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. I also include free of charge partial staging on your home. Once the home is in show-ready condition, I will then schedule my professional photographer and videographer to come to the home to capitalize on all of the unique features of the home. Once we have the pictures and the videos, we will work on the back-end marketing of your home. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money for your home. I don't just put up a sign and stick it on the MLS. It is much more detailed than that. I have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that I utilize. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please note, just posting your home on an agent's Facebook page is not enough. Your home will get about 97% less exposure by doing it this way. So I properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. If you'd like to see more about the marketing aspect of selling your home, please scroll down and I'll get into more detail about marketing of your home. It's a very important aspect, so be sure to watch that video. It is one of the key factors that will result in you gaining or losing when you sell. During this time, I will also recommend whether or not you should have any inspections done prior to going on the MLS. I will also go over all the disclosures with you so that I can have these available to buyers so that they are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Okay, so once all the marketing is done, then we go live on the multiple listing service. But don't forget, I've also gone into major sites like Zillow and Realtor.com to give you optimum tracking for your listing, casting a wide net to potential buyers. Now that we are live, you can expect to have agents calling you to take their clients through your home to see it. The buyer's agent will accompany them, so don't worry about that. The time of year and the current market climate will determine how long your home will take to sell. Now, to see what happens once your home receives an offer, watch the next video to see a breakdown of the process.